Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the BrickDesigners Printed Parts Pack number 2 for the STOL Strike Aircraft. These are all the printed parts that are included. So here are the two different type of pods that go underneath the wings. A lot of good printing on them. And there are two of each on each side of the aircraft. Different tail, all kind of numbering and insignias that go on it. There's also a canopy. You can kind of see there. I will leave a link in the description as to where to get this. Let me go ahead and show you what the Harrier looks like without it. Here's the Brickmania Harrier as built per the Brickmania digital instructions that you can get off their website. I will have a link for those in the description of this video, along with the link to the video where this was reviewed on originally. So obviously there's no printed parts, no stickers on here. There's a look at the bottom. The instructions did have it for spring-loaded missiles or something underneath here that I didn't get. So that's pretty much the build without the printed parts. I'll go ahead and stop the video and apply all those new parts to it, and I'll come right back. Here's a quick look at all the parts that were changed out in this kit for different printed elements. And here's a quick look at the bottom with the new loadout on it. I'll go ahead and set it up on the turntable so you can look at it all around. Here's a look at the Harrier with all of the printed parts on it. This is the 02 pack by BrickDesigners. I think they had another one with a slightly different loadout that is still available on their website. Give them a look. I'll have a link for them in the description of the video. It looks a lot better with all the printed parts on it, in my opinion. I think these are supposed to be angled down just a little bit more. There you go, that looks better. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.